Hey everyone, it's Nicole Hara here, and I just wanted to jump in and show you my new package from Young Living. I am so excited that I got this package. What I've been doing is Young Living has come out with new kits, and they've come out with new deals, and they've come out with like a bunch of new, easier lifestyles and cheaper things pretty much to help like the regular everyday consumer. So the other day, or I think last month, I had posted pictures of the Make a Shift kit with the oils, and you got a diffuser and some oils. It was about 6 oils that you got, and it's a great start to just get a little idea of what Young Living's about. Now, I just received my Thieves Make a Shift kit. What's really exciting about these kits is they're $112, which is way better than the $160 you used to have to get. This is not a mandatory kit. It's just something that gives you a lot of product for a lot less money. And this, I got to tell you, of the 3 kits, this particular kit I think gives you the most product for your money, especially when you see all that we got. Okay, so let's start. I got the lovely dish soap, right? And you can take this and put it in another bottle, right? I make it like half and half, and then I fill it up with water so that I get 2 for the price of 1. All their products are usually incredibly concentrated. And then, look at this one. This is awesome. This is the laundry detergent. This laundry detergent is really tiny, right? It's really tiny. Well, this is tiny but mighty. When I first got this, I was like, is this a joke? Like, what is going on with this? It's so tiny. Who's going to buy this? It's so tiny. And then, as you read on the back, for a normal, regular load of laundry, you only use a quarter of this cup. Look at how tiny these cups are. A quarter of it. So, that means if you want, you can dilute this out also, just like they do with normal laundry detergents, right? Most of what you're getting is water. So you could take this, you can evenly put it into like 3 bottles that are the size of a regular Tide bottle or whatever, you kind of want to do. And then you put in this, and then you fill it up with water. And then you can use 3, right? 3 for the price of 1. So that ends up dropping the price quite a bit, and it lasts so much longer. Now, Thieves Cleaner. I mean, hello, everybody hears about Thieves Cleaner. This stuff is amazing. This is all concentrated. So when you make it, you put, a few capfuls into a bottle, and then you fill it up with water. And look, they gave me a little Thieves House Cold bottle. So what I did was I filled it up, down here. I kind of wanted this to be a little bit strong, so I filled it up to here with the Thieves, and then the rest of the way with water. And that's it. This cleaner is for everything. I clean my fruit with this cleaner. I clean the toilets with this cleaner. I clean anything that has mold on it with this cleaner. I clean all my windows, mirrors, vegetables, like food. So it is truly amazing. And what's really cool is that because it's so non-toxic, my children get to use it too. And then the scrub. This one's so much fun to use. You put a little down, and it's a scrub for the bathroom and kitchen. It's just a little extra oomph with the household cleaner if that's what you want to use. Or you could just use that by itself. And then, if that wasn't enough, they give you 2 oils. This is great because we just got over being sick and I used all my Thieves, so glad I got a new 15 milliliter bottle of that. And look, lemon, which I love to use this in the diffuser, in cleaners, and even, if I have some congestion, this is something that I like to use to help myself support my body to feel better with that. And then, because I spent $100 with Young Living, and because I'm on the Loyalty Rewards program, which is a monthly program, I got this Vitality Orange Oil. When you see a white label like this, that means that it's dietary and you can take it internally. So it's a wonderful added like to water. It's wonderful to add when you're cooking or just even to put in the diffuser. So this is a really, really great oil. And I love putting Thieves and this and orange in a diffuser because it smells like very fall-ish. And since today is the first day of fall, this is a wonderful combination. And remember, I got it for free for just spending $100. And I'm not sure if it's because I was on the loyalty rewards, but it might be. So I have to double check that. But the loyalty rewards, every month if you want, only if you want, it's a $50 order every month, and it gives you points back. So I spent this on my loyalty rewards, and I get 25% back because I've been with the company for a while. So I get 25% back for whatever I buy. So this pretty much came out to $100. So I get back 25 points. Now, when you're first starting out and you join the loyalty rewards, it's 10% back, right? So if you spent $100, you get $10 for whatever product. And you're not required to spend $100. You just have to have a $50 or more order for that. And it's really, really worth it, honestly. The amount of free product that we get is absolutely insane. So this is my wonderful product. Oh, and one more thing that's so awesome about purchasing from Young Living. All their packaging is biodegradable, and it's specially made from recycled materials. So not only are they helping the earth, they're putting back into the earth too. See? Special made products. Their entire base is run without making a print on the earth. So everything that they do is run by the earth and put back into the earth. And that is just so special to me. I really, really care about our earth, and I try really hard to do what I can for it. So by buying products that I know that they are changing the soils to make them more, nutrient dense, and they don't waste any electricity. Everything's solar powered, and whatever they use on the plants they have made within their own company. So they don't put pesticides out there. They use their own essential oils out there, which is totally incredible. So if you want this kit or any other kit, I'll leave some links down below for you to check it all out. And yeah, thanks for listening. I hope you guys like this information. Talk to you guys later. Bye.